This pod series continues discussing some worldly and hereafter benefits of possessing true faith in Islam, meaning, faith which is supported by actions. The next benefit is a good life. It is important for Muslims to strive in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, as Allah, the Exalted, has guaranteed a good life in both worlds for the one who behaves in this manner. Chapter 16, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life.
This good life will protect a Muslim from severe grief, depression, and other extreme moods and mental disorders which can destroy a person's life. Even though Muslims will face difficulties which will sadden them, but if they obey Allah, the Exalted, this sadness will never become extreme and affect their entire life on a long-term basis. This is because a Muslim who strives in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, has an excellent reason to continue moving forward through their difficulty without giving up and turning to depression and even suicide. For example, they look forward to the countless reward which will be granted to the patient. Chapter 39, verse 10.
The patient will be given their reward without account.
Whereas, the Muslim who does not strive in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and only claims the title of being a Muslim with their tongue will not be granted this attitude and a good life, and whenever they face difficulties it will drive them to extreme moods and mental disorders which will destroy their entire life.